In this video, I will show you how to connect Squarespace domain into your Google Sites. So first, go ahead and head over into your Google Sites and head over into the website that you want to publish. And here you can actually simply change how this website will look like, along with the color, font style, and more things about this website. So the best thing about Google Sites is its convenience to use and will only require you to drag and drop elements into your canvas. So these platforms are highly recommended for those who know less about web development. So in here, go ahead and hit on the gear icon at the top right of your screen and click on custom domains. Click on the start setup button, and in this section you just need to enter your Squarespace domain in this section. Hit on next, and you need to confirm that that domain is yours, and that is where you can incorporate this Google site that you've made. And that is how you can simply connect Squarespace domain to Google Sites. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.